7 easiest and lucrative careers to change into today. The world is changing at a blitzing pace. Careers that were once loved and had high demands are becoming redundant today. Technology and time are making many formerly high-demand careers redundant today. Also, certain careers and skills are now in high demand and therefore command good remuneration. Therefore, for these reasons and more, one might consider switching to a new career. It's never too late to start something new, to make that transition as smooth and as easy as possible. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 7 easy and lucrative careers you can easily switch to. Before we continue, subscribe to our channel and click the like and bell button so that you'd be notified of new content that you'd love. Okay, let's get down to business. The first career on our list today is 1. Social Media Manager. Are you social media savvy? Are you comfortable with Instagram, Twitter, and social media platforms? This might be a career you might consider getting into. It has a lot to do with building a brand's presence on the internet, not just getting them likes and comments, but getting the brands in front of prospective customers. This doesn't exactly need a degree, it just requires your skill with words, pictures, and an in-depth understanding of how social media works, including ads, building followership on social media platforms. First, your social media account must tell the story of what you're about. This would include many followers and very good engagement on your content. Getting other social media profiles to show what you can do is also great. One way to do this is to volunteer for non-profit or work for smaller companies for little or no pay. As a social media manager, your job is to develop and carry out strategies that will increase a company or an individual's online presence. You could earn an average salary of $86,000 a year or more. There's a lot of room for growth in this sector, and the job can also be done remotely as an employee or as a freelancer. 2. Data Scientist. Data is the new gold. Whoever can collect data, manipulate it, and tease out useful information from it is already a champ. Almost every company uses data, from tech companies, government organizations, schools and emerging firms, and many more. So, your background could give you an advantage when getting a job as a data scientist. This field is broad, therefore, there's a lot of room for growth and specialization if that's what you want. There's data visualization, data research, data engineering, and many more. You don't need a degree in computer science or statistics to get into this field, but having one of this might help, depending on the part you would like to go into. You can earn an average salary of $118,000 per annum, or even higher. You can study for this role on your own, as there are many online courses and degrees available for this. 3. Financial Planner. Your job here is to help individuals and corporate organizations hit their financial targets. Financial advisors understand stocks, taxes, mutual funds, retirement plans, and many other investment tools and financial vehicles one can use in improving their finances. They also have the knowledge or the contact to do due diligence when a new investment opportunity comes out. These planners look for investment opportunities for their clients. They also help with budgeting analysis, and are skilled at helping their clients develop good money habits. Financial planners basically help their clients get rich or manage their funds. These services are usually desired by the rich or high net worth individuals. Having a bachelor's degree in finance, banking, or accounting will give you an edge when changing to a career. Having worked in banking or in an investment house will give you a solid push in this career. This career doesn't have to be a 9 to 5. That's the beauty. You can take on more than one client. However, you also must be available to see your clientele at a moment's notice. 4. Software Developer. According to stats from several sources, software development is one of the highest in-demand jobs in the world. Our world runs on software. From your smartphones to electric cars to smart homes, games, machines, just name them. They all run on software. Software is beyond apps for phones or website developments. It's all-encompassing, and whoever has this skill will be very relevant in years to come. Acquiring this skill is not so difficult. It can be time-consuming, challenging, and sometimes boring, but it is a skill you can acquire while you still maintain your day job. Having a degree in computer science will help you, but it is not a must. You can get into software development from any field. It really doesn't matter as long as you can put in the work to acquire the knowledge. 5. Sales Manager. Sales are very important in every business, irrespective of what product or service is being offered. If you can get customers, then you can't make money. That's one reason salespeople will always be relevant. Your duty as a sales manager is to help your company or whoever you work for in getting customers. This would include coming up with a marketing strategy, organizing and supervising a sales team. Your job description might also include setting sales target, recruiting sales team members, tracking inventory levels, and generally helping a company sell their products or services. You don't exactly need a marketing degree. Sometimes a degree is not even needed. A high school diploma but experience in sales or retail is a good advantage. Being able to collaborate, solve problems, work in a team, and have good customer service skills are essential for this kind of job. Sales will never go out of vogue. In the US, sales managers earn an average of $140 per annum. You might not become a sales manager immediately, especially if you don't have the prerequisite skills. Being a sales rep is a good place to start from. There is always room in sales, therefore, it is safe to say that this career is not going anywhere anytime soon. 6. Market Research Analyst. Being able to make sense out of sales data and being able to make sense out of consumer motivation, then you might want to consider a career in market research analysis. Previously having a career in sales, marketing, or customer care will be an added advantage. Being able to write data reports, collect and analyze data, read and comprehend reports are some prerequisites for doing well in this career. Being analytical and curious are some skills to have in this line of work. So, if you can tease useful information out of data and have good customer relationship skills, this is a career path you want to consider. And an average salary of $85,000 per annum is not a bad place to start. 7. Web Designers. This is quite an easy field to get into, and according to statistics, this job has about 13% growth rate. If you're interested in tech or you have an eye for design, this is a career path you might want to consider. The job of a web designer includes creating the overall look of a website. This will involve the font style and size, menus, and how other components on the site will look. An understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are very important for a web designer. Your job will also include working on a design that site visitors will not only love, but will find comfortable and intuitive to use. You can come into this line of work from any other previous career as long as you're willing to learn. There are websites where you can easily learn this and other tech skills. Some of these websites include Skills, Udemy, Free Codecamp, and many more. So here you have it, 7 easy and lucrative careers one can change to. It will not be easy, it will take time and effort, but if you're consistent, you'll be able to achieve your goal of having a new career path. If you know any other career that are lucrative and one can easily change into, kindly share with us in the comment section. If you've enjoyed today's video, please feel free to share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as we'll be releasing new and exciting content from time to time. Until when we see again, your success matters.